Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can solve this beginner level CTF challenge. So I've already solved the challenge, but today I just want to share with you my thought process and what I've discovered along the way. So to be honest, some of the questions I actually look at the walkthrough because I really don't know how to do it, but I just want to share with you what I've learned along the way, and hopefully this video be helpful to you. So let's get into it. So let's look at the first one. So if you look carefully, these letters, right, you can sort of make the words out of it. So you can see the first few words is, can you capture the flag, right? Something like that. So this one is quite easy. So you can, I believe you will be able to answer this. Next, let's look at this. Oh, this one binary. This one quite straightforward. So when I look at binary numbers, right, I will try to convert it to something maybe into text or into some other letters. Okay, so let's try to make this into so let's go to this table first. So binary to text. Basically, it's converting binary numbers to AC text. So I just copy. And paste. Convert. Oh, we got our answer. Okay, so just put in here. So next, let's look at this. Oh, this one. Well, every time I look at this, in the past, when I look at this, I don't really know what kind of encoding method this is. But over time, I realized that this with this equal sign, right? It means like it's a base 64 encoding or something similar. Okay, so what I will do is this. These two called Cipher Chef. Wow, these two actually quite powerful. I use it to solve a lot of encoding questions. It's called Cipher Chef. So you have a lot of tools and it's very easy to use. So like for example, this one is the one that I want to solve. So let's copy and paste. Right. So if I want to have a base 64, right? So I just double click. So the data is not a valid byte array. So what are the common? Okay, maybe the answer is not here. So I go back here and look at other encoding method. So besides base 64, what other encoding method that is similar to this? There's actually a base 32. Okay, so it's very similar to base 64. So maybe you can try that out, right? So go back here. Maybe I'll just delete this. I just put it back here. And I start searching for base 32. Oh, okay, have. So they provide basis 32. Okay, and we got our answer. All right. So the next question is, oh, this is also very similar. This is quite similar to this. So this could be base 64 encoding. So maybe we just copy. This time around, if we use base 32, we don't have any output that is readable. So maybe I just clear first. I just get base 64. And there we have it. We have our answer. Yay. Okay, next. Let's look at this. Oh, this one quite challenging because there's numbers and there's letters as well. So it could be hexadecimal. So hexadecimal looks something like this. There's letters and alphabets, right? So we can try to use binary to hexadecimal to text. Okay. Then we convert. There we have it. Okay. So we have solved this as well. So next, okay. So this one is a bit interesting. There's letters, there's also this number. So this could be a hint. This 13. I don't know, just guessing, right? So so what is something that also looks like this after encryption? It could be Caesar cipher, right? So this could be the number of rotation that involves in the Caesar cipher. So we can try this. Okay, so we need a Caesar cipher encoding method. So how Caesar cipher work is that, let's say you have E, right? Then you can indicate a number of shift. So let's say, for example, you shift 1. If the shift is 1, then this will be encrypted to F. Okay, something like that. So this 13 could be the rotation number. So let's key this. So we click decrypt. So there we have it. We have our one after shifted 13 places. This is the answer. Okay, just look at the first one. Next, let's look at this. Okay, wow, this looks quite complicated. There's these kind of characters, special characters, there's alphabets, there's numbers. So it could also be that this is a Caesar cipher, right? So we have to try it. So maybe we click into it to see what else besides rotate 13, what else can we do? Okay, rotate 5 or rotate 47. Okay, so let's try. If let's say we rotate 5, okay, doesn't show anything. Yeah, okay, maybe we try another method. We try another decoder. Sometimes you have to use a different decoder to see what works, right? Okay, so we have this. So maybe I try that one more time. So this time around is 47. Let's give it a try. All right, so we have the result, and we got the answer. Well done. Okay, so let's go to the next one. This one, okay, this one, because I was like reading up like different encryption method, different cryptography methods. I also realized that these I also came across this encryption method called Morse code. So this is very similar to what I've read up. Okay, so it could be Morse code, right? So I just make a guess and then I just give it a try. So I go to this Morse code translator. I just paste it, and we got the answer, right? Well done. Okay, next, this one looks like a decimal. So yeah, these are decimals. So decimal can go through the AC table to show us what letters it represents. So we can give it a try. So maybe you can use this tool. Oh, we got answer. Okay, so if we go to the AC code, right? So like for example, this is the AC code. So basically, it's an American standard code for information interchange. So this, what it does is that it actually shows you the printable characters. that we see on screen. Okay, so if let's say you look at 85, right, the decimal 85. So if you go to 85, then you realize, oh, okay, uppercase U. Then if you go to 110, you realize it's lowercase n. So after you have replaced all the numbers with the corresponding letters, you will get your answer. Okay, so let's go to the last one. Okay, last one is the most difficult one. So to be honest, I also don't know how to do this. So I actually went to do a bit of research and realize some people use the Cipher Chef too. Okay, so just now I was telling you like how easy to use and how powerful it is, right? So for this kind of very complicated encoding characters, it's best to use this, right? So let me show you. So you copy and paste in here. So you realize, wow, this is like a whole string of text. You don't even know like what kind of encoding method this is, right? Then you look at the very last character. That's equal. So it could be base 64. I mean, I don't know, but we can make a guess, right? So we just put base 64 first. So put in. Then realize, oh, this one looks familiar. Could be a Morse code. So type Morse code. Then realize, oh, it can be converted to binaries. So I think we are getting closer. So click binary. Oh, right. So this looks a bit interesting. So it could be I don't know. Previously we have you see there are different special characters and whatnot. Okay, so it could be the Caesar cipher rotation, right? So put rotate. Just now you try 13, right? So maybe it could be 13. They realize, doesn't look like it, right? So let's track it back. Let me try 47. Okay. Oh, now we have this string of decimal values. So it could be decimals. So it could be right now this can be translated from decimal to ASIC characters. Right. So we give it a try. And we got our answer. Yay. So quite interesting. So after this exercise, I realized that there are quite a lot of powerful tools out there that you can use to decode encoded characters. Okay. All right. Let's now go to this next task, spectrograms. So spectrogram is a visual representation of the spectrum of frequency of a signal as it varies with time. So in this case, you need to download a task file. So we just download this task file. And to be honest, I don't know how to do this question. So I just click on the hint and say that, oh, Audacity. So that means we need to install Audacity. So I've already downloaded Audacity. So after you're downloaded, you need to do this. Change the execution permission for this file. All right. So next, I'll go to the folder where I downloaded Audacity file. So I'll just double click on it. Let's wait for Audacity to launch. Okay, so this is an audio editing software. So next we just have to import the audio file that we have downloaded. And then we need to change to a spectrogram. Okay, spectrogram. And there we have it. We have our secret message. So you may have, let's look at the next task, stenography. So basically, is you hide a message inside a file, PNG file, or JPEG file, or any other image file. Okay. So next, you need to download a task file. So you can go to a Stenography decoder. So over here, you can see. So I can choose the file that I've downloaded. Oh, this spaghetti. Then I click submit. And there we have it. We have our answer. Cool. Next, our last task. Security through obscurity. So once again, download the task file. Then you download and get inside the file. Oh, so this one I also not very sure how to do it. So I went to see the walkthrough. And I realized that actually there's a tool in Linux that can help you solve this question, which is this command, strings command. So string command in the Linux will return each string type of characters that are printable in the file. So basically it's used to determine the content of the file and extracting the text from binary type files. So if we look here, if we go to string, so we go to the string mimi.jpg. Oops, strings. Wow, as you can see, there are long list of text. So actually, you only want to see if there's anything that's more like readable and things like that. Because what we're actually looking for is the file name extension, right? So we're actually quite lucky that we actually got the answers right at the back. Okay, but if you want to streamline a bit, I think we can also use something like this tail. Then we shows the last 10 outputs. Okay, so that's it. We got our answer for the first question, and for the second question, the text is over there. So you just have to take a look and then submit your answer. So that's it for my demonstration on this capture the flag CTF. So it's very beginner friendly, but I also took quite some time to solve this, yeah, to be honest. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you also have learned something out from this video as well. So if you like this video, I appreciate you can give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.